Hi, welcome back. A few weeks ago, I had been showing you how to secure MongoDB with basic authentication and OpenSSL. In this time, I will show you basic query of MongoDB. Okay guys, log into your MongoDB. Okay, login with SSL is successfully. Basically, if you want to create database in MongoDB, just type use space and database name. For example, I will create YouTube database and create it. And then create a collection for this DB. As the concept, collection in the MongoDB like a table in SQL. To create collection in MongoDB, we don't have specific command because if the collection doesn't exist in the database, MongoDB will be create the collection. Okay, for example, I will create a collection with name YouTube series, and I will create document also with field title, install IPFS, and second field playlist. Okay, successfully. And then let me show you how to insert a main document in the MongoDB with uh, option insert many. Okay, I will create document with title, how to set up MongoDB, from source, and then playlist MongoDB. Okay, copy, how to enable basic out and OpenSSL, playlist, I will different playlist, Nginx, how to enable OpenSSL in Nginx. Okay, close successfully. Okay guys, we have insert many document, and we can find all document same like select in the SQL. We can also using a pretty option. Okay, it's very good. Okay, I'll insert already done, and then I will show you how to update document in MongoDB. For example, I will update document with title install IPFS. db.youtube series, update title, install IPFS, and I will update to title, how to install IPFS. Okay, already modified, and check again. Okay, successfully. And then finally I will try to delete this document with title how to enable SSL on Nginx, and copy object ID. Okay, already removed. Okay guys, there is a basic CRUD, create, read, update and delete of MongoDB. To make easy management MongoDB database, I'm recommended you to use Robo33 from RoboMongo. You can find installation instruction in official website robomongo.org. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have a question, please comment in below. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.